The cat and dog fight will never stop as long as haters assume that cats are selfish and unfriendly and won't give their owners as much love or affection as dogs are known to do. What an injustice! Cats make wonderful pets because they do not require a lot of attention and work on your part. They are low maintenance, they are little and quiet, and they do not need a lot of room. Whether cats are better pets than dogs is subjective and depends on individual preferences, lifestyles, and needs. But just like dogs, cats come in different breeds. The right breed of cat for you depends on your lifestyle, preferences, and the amount of time and effort you can devote to your furry companion. However, I've researched the 8 best cat breeds for cat lovers. Number 2 is our top choice for first-time pet owners. Before we proceed, feel free to like this video and subscribe. Starting from number 8 on this list is Bengal. The Bengal cat is a hybrid breed that combines the features of a wild leopard with the demeanor of a domestic cat. Its ancestor, the Asian leopard cat, is what gave rise to the Bengal cat. They can be found in a variety of colors and have a stunning coat pattern that is reminiscent of a wild leopard. This pattern may include spots, marbling, or both. Because of their high level of activity, Bengal cats need to be mentally and physically stimulated on a daily basis. They are friendly and communicative, and as a result, they frequently create close ties with the people who own them. They have a strange obsession with water, and their brilliance demands that they constantly challenge themselves mentally. Due to their short coat, they require very little brushing because their upkeep in the grooming department is low maintenance. Bengals are a great fit for dog moms looking to expand the fam. They aren't bothered by pups, kids, or loud environments as long as you introduce them to new things gently. They're really playful too, acting like kittens even when they get older. Because each Bengal cat has its own distinct personality, it is essential to get to know potential adoptees for some time before deciding whether or not to bring one home. Number 7 is Sphynx. The Sphinx is a breed of cat with a fine fur covering its body. It was first bred in Canada in the 1960s. Because they don't have fur, they can feel changes in temperature. They are very famous because they are very active and like to play. Their friendly and loving personalities make them often called dog-like in their love. Sphinx cats have oily skin and need to be bathed and have their ears cleaned regularly to stay healthy. Because they don't have fur, they can also get sunburned easily, so it's important to keep them out of direct sunshine and use sunscreen that is safe for pets. The skin on Sphinx cats is wrinkled and their cheeks stand out, giving them a unique look. Their health is usually good, but they can get problems like heart disease and toothache. They come in many colors and shapes, and compared to other breeds, they live pretty long. Number 6 is Chartre. The Chartre breed is believed to be an ancient breed with ties to France. This breed is known for having a medium to big body, a short, dense blue-gray coat, and beautiful orange or copper-colored eyes. They have a strong hunting instinct and are often used on farms to control rodent populations. Despite their hunting skills, Chartre cats are affectionate and loving, often considered lap cats. They are quiet, gentle, and playful, enjoy interactive play, and can be taught tricks. Never too loud or demanding and happy to wait patiently for their owner to come home without tearing the place down, Chartre cats are always on their best behavior. But don't think that they mind the company, quite the contrary. Chartre cats have slow maturation and are known for their robust health and longevity. They are considered a national treasure in France, with strict regulations to protect their purity and authenticity. The breed is officially recognized by cat associations such as the International Cat Association and the Cat Fanciers Association. Number 5 is Scottish Fold. People love Scottish Fold cats because they have cute personalities and ears that are folded in a special way. The first of these cats was a Scottish farm cat that had a genetic change in the 1960s. They are known for being friendly and gentle, and they make great family pets. Warm people who are active, creative, and enjoy mental tasks are what they are. Their thick, fluffy coat has different textures and needs to be cared for, often to look its best. Cats that want to stay out of the way may like the soft sound of Scottish Fold's voices. They do well in a range of housing types such as flats and houses. But the genetic change can also lead to health problems, like problems with the joints or cartilage. To completely avoid these risks, responsible mating methods are needed. People all over the world now have this breed of cat because of internet stars like Maru and Taylor Swift's cat Olivia Benson. It is very important for the health of your Scottish fold that you buy from a reputable breeder or rescue group. Number 4 is Burmese. Burmese cats are native to Southeast Asia and are known for their friendly, affectionate nature and strong bonds with human families. They are playful, curious, and enjoy interactive play and mental stimulation. Their short, smooth coat is easy to care for, especially on the sable Burmese with golden eyes. Burmese cats come in various coat colors, including sable, champagne, and blue. Their distinctive voice allows them to communicate their needs and chat with their owners. They are excellent companions for families and get along well with children and other pets. The breed's development was heavily influenced by the chocolate-colored cats in Burma, with their rich brown coats being a key factor in breeding the modern Burmese cat. Burmese cats are generally well-behaved, but can be mischievous and investigate anything that piques their curiosity. If you work from home or want a constant feline companion, the Burmese is an ideal match. They love being in the middle of the action and will often follow you around the house. Overall, Burmese cats are a delightful breed that offers both affection and entertainment, making them a great choice for those seeking a loyal and loving feline friend. Number 3 is Persian. Persian cats, often known as royalty among cats, have long, flowing fur, a broad head with a flat face, brachycephalic, and expressive, huge eyes. They originated in Persia and were introduced to Europe in the 1600s, where they were recognized for their low activity levels and inside orientation. To keep their coat free of mats and tangles, Persian cats require regular care, with daily brushing being best. Persians are noted for their charming and gentle nature, and they are generally friendly with their owners, making them excellent lap cats. They are not the most vocal cats, but they will occasionally speak with a faint meow. Persians are classified into 2 groups depending on their facial structure: traditional Persians and the more contemporary flat-faced Persians. Persians have a wide spectrum of coat colors and patterns, as well as personalities that range from calm and reserved to playful and exuberant. Persian cats are often kept indoors to protect them from any damage due to their long fur and quiet demeanor. Their flat nose and face shape might cause health problems such as frequent tearing and respiratory and dental disorders. Persians have been depicted as lovely and aristocratic beings in numerous classic legends and tales throughout history. In conclusion, Persian cats are adored for their beauty, calm nature, and distinct appearance, making them ideal companions for those with the time and dedication to care for their coats and well-being. Number 2 is Abyssinian. The Abyssinian cat is one of the oldest known cat breeds and has its origins in ancient Egypt. They are popular for their wild appearance, resembling sacred cats in Egyptian art. Their distinctive ticking coat pattern, featuring bands of different colors, gives them a wild, agouti-like appearance. These cats are known for their high energy levels, agility, and curiosity, making them playful and social companions. They enjoy interacting with their human family members and often form strong bonds with their owners. Despite their exotic appearance, Abyssinian cats have low-maintenance coats, requiring minimal grooming. They are curious wanderers and adapt well to new environments. The breed was first recognized in Britain in the late 19th century and made its way to the United States in the early 1900s. They are loyal and devoted to their human companions, often forming deep connections with their owners. Abyssinians enjoy interactive play and mental stimulation, and puzzle toys and play sessions with their favorite humans are essential for their happiness. They come in various colors, including ruddy, red, blue, and fawn. In essence, Abyssinian cats are a combination of elegance and enthusiasm, making them a great choice for families and individuals who can keep up with their active and inquisitive nature. Number 1 is Ragdoll. Ragdoll cats were developed in the 1960s in California and are popular for their docile and easygoing nature, often described as puppy-like. They are one of the largest domesticated cat breeds, with males weighing between 15 to 20 pounds and females slightly smaller. Ragdolls have a silky, semi-long coat with striking color patterns, including color point, midden, and bicolor. They are known for their striking blue eyes, which contrast with their coat colors. Ragdolls are loved for their calm and relaxed personality, getting along well with children and other pets. They are affectionate and love to be close to their human family members, often following their owners and enjoying cuddling. They also enjoy playful moments and interactive play, fetching toys or engaging in puzzle games. Ragdolls are adaptable and can adjust to various living situations as long as they receive attention and love. Despite their long fur, ragdolls have relatively low grooming needs, with regular brushing keeping their coat in good condition. The ragdoll is our favorite cat breed because they are so devoted to their owners. They often form close bonds with their owners and love being a part of the family. Overall, ragdoll cats are known for being gentle and loving, which makes them a great choice for people who want a nice and chill cat friend. I do hope this list was helpful to you. Like, subscribe and tell us in the comments which cat breed you love the most. Visit our channel to see other pet reviews.